Okay, today you will be experiencing it. I really hope that it's a very awesome experience for you. So, why did you enroll for this class?
I just thought that coding would be fun.
Okay, yes, it's quite a fun. You should learn to code. Vera, have you ever heard of the term called artificial intelligence? So I will tell you what does it mean. It is like giving intelligence to the robot or to the computers so that we can make the robots and to the computers as smart as humans are. Okay? Robots or to the computers. Okay?
Can I see you on your camera?
Okay, just wait a minute. I will turn it on. Give me a minute. No problem.
For letting me know about artificial intelligence.
Well, it's my duty as I'm your teacher. Okay. So, right now in nowadays when humans work in an organization, we humans work with fellow human beings, right? To work with the robots, we need to learn how we can provide instructions to the robots to get a work done. Okay. Vera, have you ever asked anyone to get you a glass of water?
Yes, I asked my mom.
Now, Vera, do one thing. Consider me a robot and ask me to get you a glass of water. What will you say?
Can you get me a glass of water from the fridge, please?
Very good.
You open the handle.
Very good. You hold the handle and you pull it towards your side, right?
And then the water would be there.
Yes. And then you have to take the water bottle, you have to pour the water in the glass and then bring it to you, right? So, Veera, can you tell me what was the difference between giving instructions to a human and giving instructions to a robot?
Well, if you give instructions to a human, they would know where the water is. But a robot, it's way more different. So you have to say, can you please get me a glass of water from the fridge? And you have to tell them directly, you gotta open the handle and then you'll see the water. Then you have to pour it inside the cup.
Yes, very good. To a robot, then we have to be very precise and very specific with our instructions.
Yes.
Right? Yeah. So these precise instructions can be given to the robot in form of computer languages only. Okay? Now, what are computer languages? Like we humans have many languages, like you speak English, French, German, Spanish,
Japanese, Chinese.
Yeah, Japanese. Yeah, very good. In the same way, computer also have many languages, like C, C++, HTML, JavaScript, Python. Have you ever heard any of these?
No.
Okay. No worries. So in today's class, you will be learning about a language called JavaScript. Okay?
Okay.
So before we start with the coding, show you an activity. It's quite a fun activity, okay?
Okay.
So tell me, do you do online shopping?
Online shopping?
Well,
not really, but my mom does.
So you know how to do it?
Not really.
Not really. Okay. Do you know which website your mom used to do online shopping? Okay. Got it. Okay. Tell me, which one would you like to buy?
I would like the second one with the bow.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. So it will cost you around $24, right? Now what I can do, Veera, I can reduce this price to whatever price you say.
13.
13. Okay, great. I will do it. So what I'm going to do, Veera, I'm going to press Control, Shift and J on my keyboard. Okay.
Yes.
Got it? Now, as soon as I press Enter, it will say true. That means the web page has given me the permission to edit the content of this web page. Okay. Now, if I cross this window, so you want it to be of $13. Okay. Nice.
Oh, it's so cool.
Yeah. I can even reduce it to $0. Nice.
Oh, cool.
Not connected to the internet and you open your Google Chrome. Okay. So what you have to do in this game, can you see a restart icon? Now press the space button to make the dinosaur jump. Jump. Where? Okay.
Oh,
Press it again. Yeah.
This looks like a
Jump.
game I've played before.
Jump. Very good. Jump. Very good. Jump. 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 Very good. We are going to learn how to build the Pong game. So can you see student activity 4?
Yes.
Please click on it.
Yes.
It is a very basic game, but yeah, it will be interesting. Okay. So try to play this game as you played the first game.
I feel like this is the one where it's soccer, but they made it like a stick or something.
Yes. We can say that the first game we played was the animated version of this game only, right?
Oh, creepy.
Try it again. Yeah.
Oh god.
Oh.
Is it a robot?
Yes.
Looks
The left hand side one is the robot. He will never lose. And your right hand side one is the you. You will be controlling the right hand side one. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Amazing. That's cool. You are a good learner. We have to build exactly the same game. Then what all things do we need to build?
Yes.
Okay. So this P5 editor has a play button and a stop button. Okay?
Okay.
Understood? Yeah. Now, this P5 editor is divided into 3 screens. One is called sketch.js, one is called preview, and one is called console. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So whatever code you have to write, you will be writing it over here inside sketch.js. Okay?
Okay.
If you click on this play button, the output of the code that you have written over here will appear over here in preview. Okay?
Okay.
So for example, I have written this code over here. So if I click on this play button, can you see the output in the preview?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, by chance, if you make any error in the code, that error is going to appear over here in console. Understood?
You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So, again, Vera, whatever you type here, if there's an error, it will appear here. And whatever you type here, it will appear on the preview. You understand?
Clear with everything, Vera?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, great. Now I will start explaining you the coding part. Okay, area, right? Like how long will the canvas be, or what will be the thickness of the canvas, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This 400, first 400 represent the breadth of the canvas or the width of the canvas. So this is our width. Okay.
Okay.
So that's
Now
like
if
the
I
size
reduce
of
this
the
number
canvas.
to, let's say, 30. Okay. Now if you have a look, can you see the width reduced?
Yes.
Became small,
Because I
right?
reduced this number.
Yeah, it turned skinny.
So our first number stands for the width of the square. Okay. Second number stands for the height. Okay. This is our height.
So width and height.
Okay. Now see, if I change this number back to 400. And if I reduce this number to, let's say, 40, and if I click on this run button, can you see height reduced and width increased? It got shorter.
Mm-hmm.
Earlier it was larger, right? Like this. Now, if I reduce the first number stands for the width.
Okay.
So, it became thinner, right?
Yes. I have a question.
Now, if I, yeah.
Do you have to put a space in number 2?
It's not compulsory, but yeah, to read it, it looks more comfortable in reading, okay?
Okay.
Putting a space is a good thing, like you put some space between two words so that you can read properly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's just.
Yes.
Can you tell me what happened?
The square moved to the other side.
Which side?
Left side.
Very good. Now, if I increase this number from 20 to, let's say, 220, now what happened?
It moved a little to the right, but not directly to the right. It's like near
It
the
moved.
right.
Yeah, it moved from left to right, we can say.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yeah. So if we talk about first number, we can conclude from the first number that first number is used to move the square in left and right direction. If with the wall, you can write 380. It will leave a little bit of a space. Run it. Very good.
And it moved a little.
Now, yeah. Now what we have to do, we have to make one more rectangle and we have to place it at the extreme left hand side. Okay?
Okay.
So we'll go in line number 10. No, we cannot change this one, otherwise this rectangle will all move. So over here you have to write RECT again. So write RECT. The middle of the canvas.
200.
Very good. Write it down. 200. Comma. 200. Yeah. Now write width as 10 and height also as 10. Close the parenthesis. Yeah. Now run it. Extreme right hand side rectangle. Very good. Now in line number 9, can you tell me which number is used to move the rectangle in up and down direction?
200.
Very good. So remove 200.
Remove it.
Yes. And instead of 200, over here write mouse, MOUSE. With a capital Y. As you have learned how to make half of the pongi, in your further classes you will be learning how to make the full. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.